Hey guys, this is Ty and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about life hacks. I've noticed that our society seems absolutely obsessed with life hacks. And, you know, I see that all over on YouTube too, specifically motovlogs. So what I want to do is talk about that today and why, let's discuss why most hacks are just a load of crap. Stick around. Well, I think the best way to start this discussion about life hacks is probably to begin with a topic that is near and dear to our hearts, and that's motovlogging. It seems like there are probably hundreds, if not thousands, of other motovloggers across the country and across the globe, and all of us seem to create a video on how to be successful on YouTube, how to get views on your videos and that type of thing. And you know, I would fit myself into that category as well, because I've probably made a few of those just like everybody else. So what do you think that tells us? Well, I would say in the world that we live in, everybody expects some type of immediate results. You know, and I think motovlogs and motovloggers are no different. Hey guys. And I'm here to tell you what I have learned in this process is that there is no shortcut. There is no better hack, if you want to call it, than just good old-fashioned hard work. Putting in the time, energy, and effort to create good content, and not always looking for some other type of shortcut for sure. And here is why I am confident in what I am telling you guys. So just go to Google, go to YouTube, and type in something like motorcycle hacks or motovlog hacks, and just look through the videos. You will probably see hundreds and thousands of videos on how to hack the YouTube algorithm, how to get your videos noticed, all those type of things. You're going to see that across many different channels. Now I would say there's probably a very deliberate reason why so many of these videos exist, and that's this: that any time you have a video with life hacks in it, or some type of hacks followed by a number, like 10 hacks to ABCD, that type of thing, people are going to click on it. Those type of videos get views, and because they get views, there's so many people wanting to share that information. And it's not really surprising. You know, like I've already mentioned, we live in a society where hacks are a big thing. Everybody wants a shortcut. Nobody wants to put in the hard work. Even more so now than ever, we see that. Everybody wants immediate gratification. Well, including myself. I mean, I'm no different than anybody else when it comes to that. And in many ways, I think it creates this false narrative that so many people link into, and that's, oh yeah, you can have success in YouTube and you can have it quickly, or you can have success in whatever area of your life and you can have it quickly. Now, it's just not been that way with me. Any type of hack or shortcut that I have seen, you know, I would say there is a 95% rule, I would say. And what my advice to you would be on this is that, yeah, you know, look for hacks, look for any type of shortcut you can do, and search engine optimization. Those type of things are great, and they do help discoverability for your videos and for your channel. You should pursue those things. But what I also think is this, is that it needs to stay within that 5% category. That 95% category really needs to be focusing on creating content that people want to watch. Because look, your video can appear in everyone's face, a mass audience even. But if you don't have good content that someone's going to click on, and then, you know, in 10 seconds, they're going to bail out and go do something else. You don't want that. You want good content that people are going to watch all the way through. And that's what that 95% really needs to be focused on, in my humble opinion. So if you're really trying to improve the quality of your content and grow your channel, this might be a good time for a little bit of self-inventory and self-reflection. So how much time are you spending as far as trying to make your videos hackable and look for shortcuts and that type of thing? How much time are you spending trying to hook your wagon to some of these other larger channels, and you're trying to get exposure by some of the larger channels? Now, I know there's nothing wrong with that. I've had many larger channels that have given me a mention or a shout out that's helped my growth, but I'm not attaching my channel to a specific person that's much more popular than I am. So if you're one that's doing that, maybe it's time to reconsider your YouTube tactics. So the best hack for YouTube, well, the best hack for YouTube actually isn't a hack at all. And that is taking the time to create good quality content, which is exactly why I'm calling bullcrap on all the YouTube hacks. Because if you're not creating good quality content, nobody wants to watch your stuff anyway, no matter how crafty you are at getting people to click on your videos. What about these twisties, guys? This is something else. So I don't know if I mentioned it, but Eric and I, we are riding on the Gauntlet, which is a 130-ish mile loop in Georgia. And so far we've been on the road a couple hours at this point, and we're just having a good time with a lot of excellent riding. Look at these guys. They're having a good time. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'll tell you what, if you would, please take a look at the content on my channel, and if you like that, please hit that subscribe button. So I greatly appreciate y'all's time today. Thank you so very much. I hope you have an excellent day, and we'll talk to you again soon.